Hello everyone, welcome back to Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'll show you on how you can convert Blogger to WordPress. So basically, first things first, you want to go ahead and export your files from Blogger. To do this, it's extremely simple. Just go ahead and log in into your Blogger account, go through settings, and then you want to manage your blog. From there, you want to click on backup content and click on downloads. Now exporting it to your WordPress is basically easy. All you have to do is to simply navigate through your WordPress dashboard right here. And inside, you then want to click on Tools. Inside Tools, you will be able to see the pop-up menu. You can just click on the Import button. And from there, you then want to select Blogger. Right after that, you want to go ahead and drag your file into the web page right here. And then all of your files from Blogger will then be uploaded to WordPress, converting Blogger to WordPress. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.